Howdy guys, today in FabriCAM we're going to be setting up a basic scene for our nesting feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back to the tutorial here. So now, in order to showcase the nesting feature and its options, we're going to have to first set up a basic scene, and this will be to demo all of the features. Now, I'm going to add a few different random shapes just so that you can see at the end what happens with some of these options. But yeah, to start off, let's first go make a new sheet. Then I'm just going to go 2000 by 1000. I'm just going to set the beam diameter to 1 and say OK. I've got our basic sheet in here. Now I'm going to add some flat parts. I'm going to go to the flat part feature. Let's put a few circles. I'm going to make the width 200 or the diameter. And then it is important here you want to go to quantity nesting and set this number, especially if you want to do some auto nesting. Just going to zoom in here so you guys can see that better. So quantity nesting, we're going to adjust this one. Let's go. I'm going to go this to about 4, and then we say add, and then we can see here on our left we've got our first part with 4 for nesting. Now let's add a few other shapes. I'm going to make some form of rectangle, and let's make this about 100 by 300. Just going to see what this looks like. Yeah, should be fine. I'm going to do the same thing here. We got 4, or yeah, let's make this one 3. So add, and now we've got that shape as well. And then one last shape. Let's maybe grab something like this L shape. Now I'm going to make this about 200. Make the B 150 is the width of the L shape, and then these ones I'll make about 40 and 40. So see what the shape looks like. Yeah, that'll be nice. So we can just see for some of the other features to actually see it in effect. I'm gonna go this one about 5 maybe and say add. Here we go. Now we've got our basic shapes, we've got our sheet set up, and we are ready for, should I say, to start playing with the nesting feature. Now it is important, like I said, that you add the quantity nesting and not manual quantity. Otherwise the nesting feature is not going to work correctly. So just keep that in mind. So just to recap, we've basically set up a plane or a working sheet, which is metal, with our shapes that has quantity nesting amounts. But yeah, otherwise, before we head to the next video, if you head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.